Have you ever wondered how some traders catch the right movements after the market opens? Do you want a strategy that tells you when to sell an options with clear entry and exit points? So in this video, we are going to explain the range breakout selling strategy using OBR and EMA. This strategy will help you to identify the clear entry and exit points. By end of the session, you will be able to set up the strategies with clear ideas in QuantMan. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. In this strategy, we are going to use the instrument as Nifty and we are going to add the two main indicators, that is ORB and EMA. So let's see how to do all those things in QuantMan. As usual, log in into QuantMan platform. Once you have logged in, go to create strategy page. So we are going to backtest the strategy from January 1st, 2024 to January 31st, 2025. This is because as per the SEBI's restrictions, we should not be supposed to show the last 3 months backtesting report. As already discussed, we are going to take the trade in Nifty. The first indicator that we are going to add is opening range breakout. We will be seeing this in the 15 minutes candle frame. The second indicator that we are going to add is EMA, that is exponential moving average with the period of 9 and in 5 minutes candle frame. Now you will have a question like, why are we going to wait till 15 minutes? So we will be marking the first 15-minute candle highs and lows after the market open, that is 9:15 to 9:30. This level is crucial because in either side it will get a breakout and this will be a strong momentum rally. So whenever the price breaks this range, there will be a strong directional movement. Now you will be having a question like, why 9 period exponential moving average? EMA will always helps to identify the trend direction. Whenever the price crosses above EMA, then it means the buyers are inactive. So whenever the price crosses below EMA, then the sellers are in control. So that's why we have added the two indicators to strengthen the trend. So now we are going to give the entry condition as current close crosses above ORB high. And also the current close is above EMA 9. Only when both the conditions are met, only then it will enter into a trade. By adding the two indicators, it will help us to know the strong directional movement. We are combining the breakout signal with the trend identification of EMA in order to reduce the false signals. So whenever the market is in uptrend, then I'm going to sell a put option of the spot based ATM and we are going to give the stop loss of 20 points and take profit of 30 points. As we are going to sell the put option, we are going to buy the put option to hedge our positions. We are going to buy the put option of one lot in the OTM 8 strike. In case if the market get reversed, it will help us to protect from further losses. Now let's add a quick adjustment. If my leg 1 exited in loss, then I'm going to move to cost my leg 2. By this way, there will be a break even, no profit or no loss. So also, if my leg 1 exited in profit, then I'm going to close my leg 2 immediately. This will help me to avoid from further losses. So what if the market got reversed? So for that also, we can add through adjustments. In adjustment 1, we are going to adjust when if my leg 1 already exited in losses true, and also if my current close is below EMA 9. We are thinking now that the market has got reversed. So that's why we have added here the current close is below EMA 9. If this happens, then we are going to sell a call option of 2 lots in order to recover our losses. And we are going to keep 20 points as stop loss and 30 points as target. So we are going to hedge the positions by buying the call option of 2 lot at OTM 8. So OTM 8 represents the 8 strikes away. So now let's add a quick adjustment to it. So if my leg 3 also exited in loss, then I'm going to move to cost my leg 4. If my leg 3 exited in profit, then I'm going to close my leg 4 immediately. This adjustment is mainly when the market is got reversed. So what if the market is giving the further movements? So for that also we can add in adjustment 2. So in adjustment 2 we are going to adjust when my leg 1 already exited in loss is true, and also if my current close crosses above ORB high. Now we are assuming that there is now an uptrend movement. So at this time we are going to sell a put option of 2 quantity at ATM. And for that we are going to hedge our positions by buying the put option of 2 lot at OTM 8. Same, my stop loss will be 20 points and my take profit will be 30 points. Even for this also we are going to add the quick adjustments. So let's say if my leg 5 exited in loss, then I am going to move to cost my leg 6. So if my leg 5 exited in profit, then I am going to close my leg 6. For this strategy, I am going to set my daily targets around 1800. So once my profit has been reached to 1800, no matter what, all my trades will get exited. This will help us to earn the consistent returns and also avoid from over trading. Now I am going to give my maximum transaction per day as 2. So now let's backtest this strategy. So for the past 1 year, my winning probability was 79% and my risk per trade is also greater than 1%, and my maximum drawdown is 15,000, and drawdown days is also just 1. So you can view all the heat maps over here and all the transactions over here. Now let's add the slippage and check. As it is Nifty with weekly contract with 75 lots, the slippage will be around 0.5. Even after putting slippage, my winning probability is still above 70% and my risk per trade is also above 1%. This strategy is based on using a range breakout strategy. By this, it will help us to spot the trend directions. With that, for the confirmation, we have added EMA period 9. In this strategy, we have also fixed our stop loss and the take profit also. We have added hedges and adjustments to manage our risk effectively. Remember, no strategy is perfect. What matters is managing them smartly and staying consistent. Yeah, that's it. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. This video is for your educational purpose. Our motive is to make you a better trader. Happy trading.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.